Welcome to Miss Welch and Miss Brown's kindergarten classroom. We are excited to have you join us on our virtual open house. Let's begin. On a personal note, we would like to share a little about our families. Miss Welch has a son named Cameron Nom, who is 20 years old, and this is my husband, Wayne. My family enjoys the outdoors, sports, especially lacrosse and hockey, and living on the farm with goats, chickens, and cows. As you know, Gizmo is an important part of my life.
Hello, I am Mrs. Brown, a student teacher this year in Mrs. Welch's kindergarten class. I am thrilled to be here and be a part of your kindergarten year. I have two children, Ava, who is 11, and Mason, who is 8, and a husband named Brian, who is a firefighter. We enjoy camping and anything water related. Bo and Remy, our two labs, are a big part of our family. We live on an acre in Oregon City. I can't wait to get to know more about each one of you.
There are going to be 3 components to your child's school day. We're going to go over those 3 components in detail and then look again at our schedule. So take a moment and step back and let's look and see what your child's going to be doing in kindergarten during virtual online learning. One part of your kindergartner school day will be a synchronous learning lesson. This is what we have already been doing at 9 a.m. when we have a live lesson through Google Meets during our morning meeting. Our live lessons will include direct instruction when the teacher models a skill, the students practice a skill, have an opportunity to interact with their peers, build relationships, ask questions, answer questions, and see one another in action. I am so excited about this time and look forward to seeing each student's smiling, eager face. This might be done whole group or in small groups throughout the school day. Your kindergartner will log on and off throughout their school day to access the live lesson. We will continue to use Google Meets link we've already been using each school day. Another part of your kindergartner school day is asynchronous learning. This is when your kindergartner will access teacher directed learning opportunities posted in Google Classroom. We will talk about Google Classroom later. Your child will work independently at home on activities related to lessons taught earlier during the live lessons. This will give your child the opportunity to practice and apply their learning. The third part of our school day is applied learning. This is a time for students to build off of the teacher's directed activities. Children can extend their learning, practice skills taught, or revisit activities to gain better understanding. This will be a great opportunity for students to explore different ways to learn, for example, through nature, the arts, experiments, and so much more. Your kindergartner schedule will be made up of these 3 types of learning. Here's our schedule for distance learning. Green sections are when your child will be logged into Google Meeting and be participating in live lessons. Pink sections are when your child will be practicing skills provided by the teacher and will be accessed in Google Classroom. The yellow highlighted sections are when small groups will be meeting. Your child will be assigned to a specific group and be given a specific time to log in and participate in learning activity during reading, writing, or math. Finally, the blue section on Wednesday is when your kindergartner gets to explore and extend their learning. As you can see throughout the day, your child will be expected to log on and off of the Google Meeting to access the live lessons. We will begin by building the children's stamina and being able to participate during the lessons. So, lessons may only be 10 to 15 minutes long at the very beginning of the school year and will gradually become longer. I understand this is a difficult part of the presentation to understand. We will be working together to make this as simple as possible. Remember, the yellow highlighted small group sections won't start right away. Let me review. Every school day, we will meet at 9 a.m. for a morning meeting. Then, we will meet every other day for different parts of the kindergartner school day. Mondays and Thursdays, we will meet for language for all, reading and writing. Then, on Tuesdays and Fridays, we will meet for math. As we begin our full days, I feel the schedule will begin to make more sense. Classlink is the best way for your child to access their learning tools, especially Google Classroom. I'd like to take the opportunity to show you how to log into the Classlink and access Google Classroom and other items. I've included a link to open directly up into the student's Classlink. Let's take a look at what your student will see in their Classlink. It will always take a moment to load. Once you have entered the username and password, you will see many tools. You can check out all these different tools your child has access to. To enter your kindergartner's Google Classroom, you will want to click on the Google Classroom icon. Here, you will find access for your kindergartner's classes. Let me tell you more about Google Classroom on the next slide. If you click on the Google Classroom icon while logged into Classlink, you will see your kindergartner's classes. Let's do that. Our homeroom, the music teacher, and the PE teacher's classes, and more will be added over the school year. If we click on the classroom, you will be taken to the stream. Here, you can find the Google Meets link for whole group live lessons. Right up here in the picture, next to the cows. You can also see important updates, news, and fun facts in the stream. The stream is like a bulletin board full of information. At the top, next to the stream, you'll see the word classwork. This is where you will find assigned assignments your child can work on at home. The biggest item to know about is in Google Classroom, you can access a Google meeting and check for independent work to be completed at home. Class expectations. You probably already know all three of these, but let me just go over our norms. Parents, please ask questions. Somebody else most likely has that same thought, so don't be afraid to email me and just check in. Also, help your child to understand how to turn on and off the microphone, and we're going to work on beginning to pin the teacher. That way, I will be the main focus during the live lessons. If you have questions about that in our one-on-ones, please let me help you to be able to show you how to do those things. And then lastly, encourage your child to participate in the applied learning activities, practice the skills being taught throughout the week, check Google Classroom for new assignments. And if you're having troubles with that, just let me know. I'm here to help. School supplies. School supplies will be available for pickup on Thursday, September 24th from 5 to 7. This will be a drive-through event at Duncan. You will be able to pick up textbooks and helpful items for your kindergartner. I hope to see you there. Just so you know what's happening with attendance, attendance will be taken daily at the end of the day. If your child is not present during the assigned Google Meets and we have not heard from the family either through email or a phone call to the office, your child will be marked absent for the day. Also, note our report card system will now happen 4 times throughout the school year. This is different from the past. We have many teachers at Duncan, and your child will have the opportunity to work with and learn from Mr. Madsen, Mr. Duvall, and Mr. Dolan. They will have classes in your child's Google Classroom. I know they have been working hard at preparing lessons and activities for you to participate in at home at your own pace. Please check out their classrooms at least 2 times per week. Your kindergartner will be graded in these classrooms as well as their homeroom. Here are other teachers in our building at Duncan you might see join our Google Meets and classrooms. I would like to introduce you to the resource room teachers, Miss Morelli, Miss Eade, Mary Beth Hamilton, and our English language development teachers, Miss Moran and Miss Dodge. Our office hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 8 to 9 in the morning and 1 to 2:30 in the afternoon. Wednesday, we will be meeting at 1 to 2:30 also in the afternoon. During these times, we can meet with families through a Google meeting, phone call, or respond to emails. Please feel free to email me or Miss Brown at welchsu@nclac.edu. nclack.k12.or.us or Miss Brown at brownna@nclack.k12.or.us. Looking forward to hearing from you. We've got this. Together as a team, your child will grow and develop new skills. I can't wait to be in the classroom. However, I have really enjoyed seeing each little face so eager to learn and participate. Thank you so much for all the support you have already given your child. I am so amazed at your commitment, generosity of time, and energy. With much gratitude, I wish you a wonderful day and exciting year in kindergarten. Many hugs, Miss Welch and Miss Brown.